All right, hey, I'm Dave from House Barons. This is my son Caleb. We're having a great debate here about which is the better way to install drawer pulls and door pulls on cabinets. My son wants the caveman tools, pencil, square, tape measure, tape, and that's all he's going to use. This is my tool right here. He took it all apart because he doesn't want me to have any kind of advantage, and we'll see which is fastest and how much of a difference there really is, if any. So we got 3 drawers, these 3 right here, and these 3 there, and this drawer here, and these 2 doors. And so we're just going to use our particular tools, just do a head-to-head and see what happens. Rather than drill it, we're just going to make a mark. It's to give you an idea which is better. So I'm going to go first? Okay.
My pencil, my tape.
I can start with my pencil up there.
All right, 3. Got my pencil, my tape, my square, and
your handle.
Pulls.
Okay.
2.
Make it happen. Did you don't start? Whoa.
No. I haven't started.
Okay.
Ready? Here we go.
Go.
1.
All right, here we go. Let's put this guy together. And this is a brand new tool. He's over here stretching. We'll never have messed with this before. And so, yeah, do I have a handicap? Yes. That's okay.
Got my normal tools.
No, nothing like building in excuses before you get started. Ah, shoot. He probably monkeyed with these. Okay, inches, that's going to be in the center. So I got to line that up so it's nice and straight. And then these guys go on the ends. I'm going to flip it like this. Yeah, I'm going to take 10 years just doing this.
What I thought. I'm guessing it's probably going to take you, 10, 15 minutes to do all the cabinets?
15 minutes to do 7 cabinets? I don't think so, man. Okay, so I do remember he said that these drawers were 3.
And all these as well?
Yeah.
No, I'm sitting down there.
Yeah. Starting to add up, aren't they?
Yeah, there's a little bit more now that I'm down.
It's like, oh, shoot. Top to bottom, 6 3/16. So 3.
So you're using one of my tools?
Oh, shush. 6 3/16. Wow, that's tough right there. Okay, so I got the height in for the drawers, and that's going to cover 1, 2. This will cover 4 drawers. These need to be at 1.5 because I have 3-inch handles. 1.5. I'm getting the worry on your face.
The sweat on my brow.
Okay, so I've got the handle distance right like that. Yep. And okay, now I need the width of these guys, but I'm not messing with that. I'm gonna, I can't use his tools.
Another one of my tools.
Tape's free reign. We can share tape. I told you I was using tape. Just gotta ballpark it.
$17 1/2. Geez, did you do this math in your head?
Mm-hmm.
9.
Oh, shoot.
18. So 8 and 8 is 16. 3/4, 8 3/4.
See, you get all your ideas. You can watch me.
I was already planning on doing that. The funny thing is, I know exactly what I'm going to do because I've done it a million times.
Oh, so you have an advantage and you're admitting it. Okay, well, that's fine. So I'm just doing this for the first time, and you know what? I don't even need tape on the doors. Okay, so So I think I've got this set up. Now these are, how am I going to do this? 23.5 is 11 3/4. Oh, that's right. 11 3/4. I don't know if that's going to, it's not going to, because I don't have an extension. I'm handicapped already.
He was not there, because I'm actually taking the time here to do.
So you were finding the center point on all
Yeah, I found the center point on all my drawers. This won't help me on these because these drawers are so long. So I'm going to take this one off. And then that's not. Well, that says that's right.
So, those are drill.
No, no, once they're marked, you got to get the drill. Where's the drill bit? Here you go. Okay. Oh. Okay, we'll so leave that up to the judges to determine.
What's my time?
Drilling that one. That looks right. Okay. 6 minutes. Now I'm going to go to this other drawer because it's the same size.
Mental math.
That's killing you.
What's 23 and a half divided by 2? I can't use my
What's half of 24?
12.
So then what's half of
I've
a
got
half?
this sighting hole here so I can line it
Yep.
up and sight it. And then
There we go.
Can you see those?
Yeah. And then these are all trying to make sure this is going to give me the best. I'll do that one. I'm going to do this one.
see where's the center on this one.
Yeah, the white ones are a lot easier. Okay, so I'm making marks on the drawer, so I don't want to do that. So let's pretend I took enough time to drill those, okay? Is that fair? That should be fair.
As long as I'm able to see them.
Yeah. Well, I don't want you to see them. I already made marks on these, so.
That
Yeah.
won't matter. I just need to
Yeah.
keep going. I
Okay.
just need to be able to see them on the tape.
Yep. Okay, now I'm going to do, this drawer is 11 1/8. That's 5 1/2 and 1/16. Okay, and this one. Oh, same size. When they're the same size, look how fast it goes. Just throw this on there. And okay,
You might want to tap the phone.
and then 5 1/2.
Knock
See how
out
big
what's
this
there.
drawer is.
3, 4,
11 1/8. And this one
So
is
you're on track.
11 1/8. So now I just need the center. it, 7? Rhymes with 11. Drill. 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 Pretending to drill. Drill. I mean, how long would it take?
No, that's fine. I'm just making
And then-
it known that you're not actually using the holes.
Because I don't have something that's thin enough. I know, I'm making marks. I'm already telling you where to drill.
I'm gonna cover them up. The first thing you do.
All right, and then
So you
drawers. Here.
So basically, I could just.
No, here.
No, you're fine.
I'm-
You're fine. I'll still. I'm just making it known that you're already cheating.
Cheating. Who's lowering expectations, huh?
You're already. I'm still. You want to know
Okay.
what minute mark you're at?
2 3/4 wide. 1 3/8. 1 3/8.
All right, you better be looking at that time.
And so I'm going to be for the drill hole.
Yeah, for the drill hole.
Okay. Well, okay. Drill. Zzz, okay, you're gonna vouch for me. Drill. Zzz, zzz. Okay, so these are done. All right, so done. Time.
All right, there's the time.
What is it?
11 minutes, 12 seconds.
Did you? Where's the drill?
Done.
Well, subject to judges. All right, so there you go. So if you get this, you can do it in 20 seconds more.
20 seconds? Did you actually stop it and get the actual time?
What was it? 12:48.
It was a whole minute quicker.
Oh, was it? What was mine? In the edit bay, we'll take care of the clock. So for a few seconds extra time, you can get this with the. All right, so there you go. Caleb would like you to know that this square has all these extra doodads on it. That if you want a square that can give you championship form, this is Home Depot. And if you really feel like a jig would help you, we'll leave a link in the description below for this as well. If you're good with a tape measure and a pencil and a square, you can do it about the same. So now I will say though, if we had 50 doors and drawers, it'd have to be faster.
Yeah, potentially.
Yeah.
I could see it being faster with that, but you can also see like how much time is that actually saving you?
Yeah,
Maybe.
shockingly little. But I would say at least it was close. If you have any comments about his sketchy methods and fake drilling, well, leave a comment below. Hopefully this was helpful to you in choosing your method to install pulls on drawers and doors. Thanks all for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.